Hello guys, in this video I will show how to withdraw money from GoCrypto. Let's go over how withdrawing money from the GoCrypto app really works. Many users get confused, but it's actually simple once you understand what the app is for. GoCrypto is a trading simulator, meaning it lets you practice buying and selling cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin without using real money. The balance you see in the app, for example 5,000, is completely virtual. You can trade, earn, and grow your portfolio inside the app, but everything is simulated. If you check the Play Store, you'll see that GoCrypto is described as a learning tool, not a real exchange. It's designed to help users learn crypto trading, test strategies, and understand the market safely with no financial risk. As for withdrawals, even if you make profits in GoCrypto, those earnings are not real and cannot be transferred to your bank or crypto wallet. The app is for education and practice only, not for making actual money. In summary, GoCrypto is great for learning how crypto trading works and improving your skills. Just remember that all the money and profits in the app are virtual and can't be cashed out. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.